Hello, today we'll be comparing YBSVO commercial coffee maker brew machine CMA-200-C versus Frigidaire 20 bar small espresso machine. Be sure to watch to the end and I'll tell you which is better. Links to all the products and the description. So let's start. Brewing method: Frigidaire is better, capacity YBSVO is better, programmable features Frigidaire is better, curve type YBSVO is better, burst range control Frigidaire is better, water distribution Frigidaire is better, ease of cleaning Frigidaire is better, after shadow Frigidaire is better, water reservoir YBSVO is better, design and aesthetic appeal Frigidaire is better. Warming plate Snazer, brew pause feature Nasia, price Frigidaire is better, special features Frigidaire is better, dimensions Frigidaire better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Frigidaire 20 bar small espresso machine. The link to buy it is in the video description.